morning, students. As we are learning about the figure of speeches, for the next one, it is onomatopoeia. Carefully listen to the pronunciation. Onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia. This is a new figure of speech for you. Onomatopoeia means the word which indicates a specific sound. You should know that everything in this universe has a specific sound. Just like that. Can you hear this sound? Tuck, tuck. Now, are you able to hear this sound? Are you able to hear this sound? You can also hear the sound of the moving fan. In this way, everything has a specific sound, and those sounds are indicated by the figure of speech onomatopoeia. ओनोमॅटोपोइया हा अशा प्रकारचा अलंकार आहे की ज्यामध्ये एका विशिष्ट शब्दातून एक ध्वनी आवाज व्यक्त होतो आणि तो आवाज कशाचा आहे हे आपल्याला माहीत असायला हवं. त्या आवाजाला इंग्रजीमध्ये काय म्हणतात हे सुद्धा आपल्याला माहीत असायला हवं. दॅट इज व्हाय आय एम गोइंग टू टीच यू the characteristic of this figure of speech onomatopoeia. Now listen here. Onomatopoeia is a figure of speech in which in a poetic line there occurs a word which denotes a specific sound and we have to identify it. We have to identify that word from the example. I am going to tell you some sounds. First of all, your dearest animal, tiger. The sound of the tiger, it is called as a roar, R-O-A-R, roar. The snake, it is called hiss, H-I-S-S, hiss. The cow moves, M-O-O, moves. The dogs, meow, meow, barking. In same way, a number of sounds are indicated by the specific word. I will teach you about those words, the things and their sounds, what their sounds called. But first and foremost about the characteristic and the example of the onomatopoeia. Example, the rustling of the leaves added to our fear. Rustling of the leaves, rustling, सळसळाट of the leaves, पानांचा सळसळाट. म्हणजे वस्तू ही दिली आहे and its sound, rustling. पानाच्या सळसळाटाला rustling म्हणतात. तर हे दोन्ही शब्द आपल्याला ओळखता आले पाहिजे की कोणती वस्तू आणि त्या आवाजाला काय म्हणतात. In such way, we can identify the words which denote some sounds. The answer of this figure of speech is written as following. Answer. This is an excellent example of onomatopoeia. हे ओनोमॅटोपोइयाचं उत्कृष्ट उदाहरण आहे. इन विच, ज्यामध्ये द वर्ड रसलिंग, ज्यामध्ये रसलिंग हा शब्द, सळसळाट हा शब्द इंडिकेट्स द साऊंड ऑफ द लीव्स. हा शब्द झाडाच्या पानांच्या सळसळाटाचा आवाज व्यक्त करतो. इन दिस वे we learned about the onomatopoeia. In the next clip, I will give you the things just like it and what their sounds called in two separate columns. Now enough for today. Thank you. Learn this figure of speech well, understand it, take it in your consideration. It will help you to prepare your own examples also. सर्वेत्र सुखिनः सन्तु, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.